Bhavi Duggar, switch on your camera. Sanskar Jain, Divyans, Tithi Oswal, Bhavi Duggar, Neil Jain, switch on your camera. Neil Jain, show me your copy. Bhavi Duggar. Bhavi Duggar, show me your copy. Bhavi Duggar, कल का रिवीजन का क्या लिखे हो, कॉपी दिखाओ. Bhavi Duggar. Okay, Neil, good. संस्कार जैन, स्विच ऑन योर.
सर आपने बोले थे स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, तो मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया हूं।
और उसे कौन लिखेगा? मैं लिखूंगा. स्क्रीनशॉट किस लिए बोला गया था लेने के लिए? कॉपी में लिखने के लिए बोला गया था ना स्क्रीनशॉट. नील, कैमरा ऑन कर अपना. तिथि ओसवाल. तिथि. नील जैन, शशांक सेठिया और तिथि ओसवाल, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा.
सर मेरा ऑन है कैमरा.
तुम्हारा ऑन नहीं बेटा कैमरा.
सर थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है अभी.
वेदांत, नित्य, ऋषभ. नील जैन, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. ऋषभ जैन, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. वेदांत. You will be removed from live class if you don't switch on your camera. Okay, now today we are going to learn chapter 2.
सर चैप्टर 1 completed?
Yes, chapter 1 completed. In exercise 1.2 there are only 5 questions. In exercise 1.2 there are only 5 questions. First question is related to how to represent a rational number in a number line, and another question is represented how to find a rational number between two given rational numbers. Divyans, switch on your camera. Vedant and Divyans. Switch on your camera. Aarti Jain, Vedant Jain. Okay. Okay, now exercise chapter 2. Linear equations in one variable. Okay. Linear equation.
सर इसके कोई नोट्स नहीं है?
नोट्स हैं बेटा, नोट्स भी आपको भेज दिया जाएगा.
यस सर, चैप्टर 1 के नोट्स से लिख चुके हैं.
ये लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन वन वेरिएबल. Okay, now so in this chapter, first we should know what is equation and what is expression. Okay. So first algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression?
सर जब कोई क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है और इज इक्वल टू को साइन ना आ रहा है.
Algebraic expression.
यस सर.
Algebraic
सर
expression.
और इक्वेशन मतलब
वेरिएबल्स रहते हैं उसमें और एक्सप्रेशंस रहते हैं और नंबर्स रहते हैं, कांस्टेंट्स रहते हैं.
Algebraic expressions.
सर डेफिनेशन देने क्या?
Okay, now algebraic expressions. Write it in your copy. Any expression involving constant, variable, and some operations and some operations like addition, multiplication, etc. is called algebraic expression. Write it in your copy. So for example, suppose that 7x plus 5. So in 7x plus 5, this one is 7 is a constant, this one is a constant, okay, and x is a variable. Symbol of plus means it is a mathematical operation of addition, and 5 means this one is a constant. Now again 7 means this one is a constant or coefficient, okay, x is a variable. Now
ऑपरेशन
operation addition. Now 5 means what? 5 is a constant. 5 is a constant. Write it in your copy. Have you written?
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes.
सर आप बिना मिटाए दूसरे पेज पे भी लिख सकते हो, वो जो नीचे बटन है ना, नीचे व्हाइट वाला, उससे.
Okay, ठीक है. Next one is, in this example,
सर वो वाला छूट गया है सर, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूं।
आखिरी में देख लेना ना.
ये लो.
यस सर, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया सर, आखिरी में क्या लिखूंगा?
Okay, now 7x plus 5. So 7x plus 5. 7x plus 5. So now look here. 7 is a constant or coefficient? Tell me.
Coefficient.
Coefficient. Okay, so this one is a coefficient.
Coefficient.
So what do you mean by coefficient? A number.
सर जिसके साथ वेरिएबल रहता है
Yes. वैसे नंबर जो वेरिएबल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं वो नंबर कोफिशिएंट कहलाते हैं. ए नंबर फॉलोड बाय ए वेरिएबल is called coefficient of that variable. Coefficient of that variable. Have you any doubt?
फॉलोड बाय का मतलब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है क्या?
Yes. A number followed by.
सर और एक डाउट है.
Yes.
सर अगर अपन लिखे जैसे x + 5 तो x का कोफिशिएंट 1 हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इसीलिए.
Okay, next example, x plus 5. It may be written as 1 into x plus 5. Now look here, 1 is followed by a variable. That's why 1 is considered as a coefficient. Coefficient of that variable. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
यस सर
So write it in your copy. Now next one is, look here. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next one is, again next example, same example, 7x plus 5. 7x plus 5. Look here. This one is a x. And anyone know what is x?
Variable.
Variable. Very good. This one is variable. So what do you mean by variable?
The value in the equation which has no.
A variable is
वैल्यू इक्वेशन
Sir, a value in the equation which has no fixed place. It keeps
Yeah.
moving.
Which is unknown.
a variable
Which is
is
unknown.
an unknown number and unknown number and generally it is represented by a letter. It is represented by a letter like X, Y, Z, etc. For example, 10x plus 15. So it is an algebraic expression, and here variable is x. Any doubt?
No sir.
नो सर
So take a screenshot or you may write it in your copy.
सर चैप्टर की हेडिंग देख के इतना डेंजर लग रहा था लेकिन ये तो सब पढ़ा हुआ है.
सब अच्छा होगा बेटा, सब इजी हो जाएगा, है ना. कोई भी डाउट हो तो तुरंत पूछना. लाइव क्लास में पूछ रहे हो या लाइव क्लास से बात पूछ सकते हो, कभी भी पूछ लो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज Again 7x plus, I am going to take same example, 7x plus 5, 7x plus 5. Okay, so anyone, this one is a 5 and
Constant.
this one is a
Constant.
constant. Very good. This one is a
Hello.
constant. So what do you mean by constant?
A number.
Yes, any number.
A number which is known in the equation.
Any number without any variable. Okay, any number without any variable is called constant. Constant. For example, 10x plus 15. So it's constant. What is the value of constant?
5. 15, sorry. 15.
15.
This one is a 15 and your required answer is this one is a constant. Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
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 Now again, next page. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next page is next one is a same example. 7x
Plus 5.
plus 5.
That's what
So 7 plus 5 means, look here. This one is a 7x and now this one is a 5. So 7, can you tell what is 7x and what is 5?
7x is coefficient and 5 is constant.
Now complete 7x. Complete 7x. No. Okay.
Term, sir, term.
Coefficient.
Term, sir, term.
Yes, very good.
Expression. Term.
7x is known as term. This one is known as term. Okay. Again, only 5 is known as term. Okay. So now, what do you mean by term?
A set of number
A term is
after or before the operation.
a term is any number or variable separated by operators. Okay. Now suppose that this one is a 7x plus 5. So a term is any number. Any number means 5. This one is only number. Only number. So it is considered as a term. It is also considered as a term.
Term.
Now next one is a term is any number or variable. Variable means 7 and x. So this is also known as term. Now next, separated by operator means this one is an operator. Symbol of plus means mathematical operation of addition. So in this equation, sorry, in this algebraic expression, there are two terms. Now suppose I am going to write another example. Another example means find the total number of terms. Okay, example, find the total number of terms. 7x plus 8y plus 10z plus 50. So how many terms? Number of terms equal to what?
4.
Very good. Number of terms equal to this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number.
कांस्टेंट के बाद डायरेक्ट टर्म लिखे ना.
So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what if we have an equation called A?
A. Wait.
How
Yes.
many terms will be there?
A. Very good, Yasita. Now look here. Your question is there are 3 terms. Okay, A plus. Now A. These are like terms. These are
ये
Like
terms. So it will become 3A.
3 है सर.
3A. So 3A means only one term. Only
One term.
Yes sir.
one term. And suppose there are 3 unlike terms. Unlike terms means unlike.
ABC.
Unlike terms means A.
sir, it's not multiplying, it's adding. It's addition, sir.
Means this one is first term, this one is second term, and this one is third term. So total number of terms, this equals 3. So any doubt, Yasita? Yasita?
सर इसमें पहले वाले में हम लोग एडिशन किए तो नहीं, कुछ नहीं सर.
Okay.
कुछ नहीं.
Okay, now next one is equation. Next
Sir,
one.
please go to the 6th slide. Sir, screenshot लेना.
Okay.
Yes sir, taken.
सर इसके बाद वाली
So next number is for equation. Okay. Now next one is for
सर 7 स्लाइड दिखाओ ना.
बेटा कितनी बार परेशान करोगे?
लास्ट में लिख लेना ना.
ये लो जल्दी लो.
सर हो गया.
Okay, now next one is for equation. Again, same example. Suppose that 7x plus 5, this equals 10. Okay. So can you tell what is the meaning of this symbol?
Equation.
Equals to.
Equals. Now, so there are 2 parts. This one is left hand side, left, and this one is right. And there is a symbol of equals. So equation means what?
Expression in which equations sign come.
A statement.
Equation means when
Write it in your copy.
there is the
Statement which says that the two expressions are equal is called equation. Okay, write it in your copy.
Please wait a minute.
Okay, so for example, 10x plus 20 is equals 50. So now look here, this one is a shaded part is known as algebraic expression. Why?
LHS.
Because it is a combination of numbers, variables, and constant. Now again, second shaded part, this one is also known as algebraic expression because single number is considered as a algebraic expression. Single number may be also considered as algebraic expression. So now there are two algebraic expression, and look here, this one is also a algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. And now this one is also algebraic expression, and both algebraic expressions are equal. The symbol of this one is equals. So a statement which says that two expressions are equal. The expression which are on the left side is equal to the expressions which are on the right side is equal. So it is called equation. Any doubt? This one is known as equation.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, now next, have you written it in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to take a test. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Ready.
now first question is
सर जो भी पिछली स्लाइड में हमने लिखा था नीचे अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन सर मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन प्लस अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज इक्वल टू इक्वेशन.
वो जब आप कॉपी सेंड करोगे तब चेक करने पे पता चलेगा. अभी आप जो बोल रहे हो वो बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आ रहा. which one is an algebraic expression? A 7, B 7x, C 7x plus 5, and D 7x plus 5 equal to 10. Okay, now solve this question.
सर ए बी सी तीनों करेक्ट है.
A, B, C are correct. D is not correct. D
Tell me
is
your answer.
equation.
Which one is algebraic expression? Mention here.
7.
A, B, and C, sir.
Okay, 7.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one. Next one.
सर डी इक्वेशन है
7x.
E is an equation.
7x.
because it contains equal to.
7x plus 5.
Very good. All these three are algebraic expression, and which one is equation?
Equation sir D
D.
7x plus 5 is
7x
equal
7x
And
plus
plus
5
5
is equal to
Sir, D.
10.
Very good. 7x 5 equal to 10 is considered as an equation.
Equation.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
sir.
Yeah. Aarti Jain, switch on your camera.
That Jia always come with her mother's name.
Jia, Sanskar. देखो कैसे बच्चे रिमूव हो रहे हैं क्लास से, है ना. मैं उन्हें रिमूव कर रहा हूँ. अब नेक्स्ट किसका चांस है? Okay. You have to switch on your camera entire session, means 40 minutes. So is it clear what is the difference between algebraic expression and equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, come to the exercise 2.1. Exercise. Next one is
सर मेरा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है तो इसलिए बार बार लीक हो जा रहा है।
बेटा स्विच ऑफ होगा कैमरा, आपको रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा क्लास से। कभी भी जब मैम एंट्री करेंगे क्लास में आपको वो रिमूव कर
सर
देंगे।
मैं मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किया अभी, लैपटॉप में नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा था।
जिनका भी कैमरा स्विच ऑफ होगा उनको क्लास से रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा। जैसे ऋषभ जैन, स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। Now exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Solve the following. Solve the following equations. Question number 1. X minus 2, this equals 7. So this is a algebraic expression or this is a equation?
Equation.
Equation.
Because there are two algebraic expressions and both are equals. The expression which are on the left side is equal to the expression which are on the right side. So how can you solve this one?
Sir, 7 plus 2, 9. The 9 answer.
Then we'll transpose 2 to the right side and that minus will become plus.
Yes. So
The answer will be x equals to 9.
Equal to 9.
So transpose this one to the right side. So x, this equals 7 and minus
Sign.
will become plus 2.
Plus 2.
This equals 9. It's your
9.
answer. Now next question is,
सर नहीं लिख पाया।
easy बेटा लिख लो, है ना? Next question is y plus 3, this equals 10. So how
That 3 will transpose there and become minus 3.
Sir, 7 is the answer.
Goes to right and become minus 3.
so your answer is y, this equals
7.
minus 3.
Then minus 3 equal to 7.
Okay, now next question. Next question is question number 4.
सर ये मैं सॉल्व करूँ? बस आप क्वेश्चन लिख दो।
क्वेश्चन नंबर नहीं बेटा, मुझे ही सॉल्व करना है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज 3/7 plus x, this equals 17/7.
14 by 1.
Sir, minus 7
14
नहीं
by
है.
7. 14 by 7, sir.
14 by 7.
Sir, 14 by 7.
7.
So now transpose this to the right side. So your answer is
17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7.
3/7 minus 3/7.
3 upon
Your like fraction of
Both are upon
Sir,
7.
3 upon minus 7.
17 upon 7.
14.
yes. So these are like fractions. So 17 minus 3, this equals
14 upon 7.
14 upon 7 is your
Sir,
answer.
equal to 2.
सर इक्वल टू
Equals 7
Two.
versus 7, 7 2 ja, this equals 2 means variable of x is equal to 2. It's your answer. Write it in your copy.
सर रिटर्न।
Sir,
Okay.
take screen.
Okay, next question is next
Question number
question
6 करा दो.
question number 9.
Sir, 6 भी कराना ना.
Question number 6. Okay, question number 6. T minus 5. This equals 10. So
Sir, 10 multiplied by 50 upon 5 I
divided
answer.
by 5. This equals 10. Now transpose this one. You have to transpose 5.
Sir,
Sir,
5
10
goes
multiplied by 5
मल्टीप्लाई
is
हो
50.
जाएगा आंसर 50 होगा
So
sir into 5 हो जाएगा राइट में या
yes,
50
so P equals 10. After transposing 5, divide will be multiplied
multiply
into
sir
5.
answer will 50 equals to 50
Value of T equal to 50. It's your answer. Any doubt?
no sir
No, sir.
Okay, last question. Question number 12. सारा होमवर्क है बेटा आपके लिए, है ना? सभी आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 12 तक आप सॉल्व करना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज x by 3
एक्सरसाइज तो हम लोग कर लेंगे
3 plus 1 this equals 7 upon 15. So transpose 1 to the right hand side.
sir plus 1 goes
Minus
to right
1 upon
minus
1
Plus 3 this equals 7 upon 15.
7 upon 15 minus 1
1.
1
So 1 may be written as multiplied by 15 upon 15.
15
So this one is 7 upon 15 minus 1 upon 15.
15
So 7 upon 15 means
7 minus 1 upon 15 equal to 6 upon 15
upon 15. Now look here, x divided by 3, this equals 6 upon
6 upon 15
So x this equals 6 upon 15 multiplied by
into 3
3.
sir
So
5 3 are 15
3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15.
3 5
So your answer is x equal to 6 upon
6 upon 5
take a
Very
screenshot.
समझ
yes sir
सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर से कराना, अभी टाइम ओवर हो गया है।
ओके बेटा, है
क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया अच्छे से।
ना? अब आपका
और समझ आ गया
हैव अ नाइस
क्वेश्चन आपको याद करने हैं और सारे क्वेश्चंस 1 to 12 आपको सॉल्व करने हैं। ओके,
यस सर हैव अ नाइस डे सर
बाय बाय बाय
bye sir
बाय सर
बाय सर।
बाय बेटा।